Get ready to be blown away by an idea that's out of this world. Elon Musk, the visionary entrepreneur behind SpaceX and Tesla, is leading the charge on a bold new concept that could change the way we harness the power of the sun. We're talking about space-based solar power, a revolutionary technology that would allow us to transmit solar energy from space down to Earth's surface, providing an endless supply of clean and sustainable power. This idea might sound like science fiction, but with Musk's leadership and the ongoing advancements in technology, it's becoming more and more feasible by the day. So buckle up and get ready to learn about the incredible potential of space-based solar power. Elon Musk, the mastermind behind SpaceX and Tesla, has proposed a radical new idea for solving our planet's energy needs: space-based solar power. But what does that mean exactly? It means capturing the energy of the sun in space using solar panels and transmitting it down to Earth using microwave or laser beams. It's like having a giant space station that collects the sun's energy and sends it to us. Think of it as a space-based power plant that never runs out of fuel. For example, imagine a massive satellite in space that is covered in solar panels. These panels absorb sunlight and convert it into energy that can be transmitted down to Earth. The energy is then received by a receiver station on the ground and converted into usable electricity. This electricity can power homes, businesses, and transportation systems without relying on traditional fossil fuels. Another example is a solar farm in space that is in geostationary orbit around the Earth. This means that it orbits the Earth at the same speed that the Earth rotates, so it appears to be stationary in the sky. This allows the solar panels to receive uninterrupted sunlight 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, providing a consistent and reliable source of energy. By using space-based solar power, we can tap into the immense power of the sun without being limited by weather conditions or the Earth's atmosphere. This means that we can create a nearly limitless supply of clean energy that is sustainable and doesn't harm the environment. And with Elon Musk's vision and leadership, it's a technology that has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about energy and power our future. The potential of space-based solar power is enormous. Unlike traditional solar panels, which are affected by weather conditions and the Earth's atmosphere, space-based solar power can provide a consistent and reliable source of energy. In fact, the amount of solar energy that can be collected in space is vastly greater than what can be collected on the ground. To put this into perspective, consider that the amount of solar energy that reaches the Earth's surface is about 1 kilowatt per square meter on a sunny day. But in space, the amount of solar energy is about 1,400 watts per square meter, which is nearly 40% more energy. This means that space-based solar power can produce more energy per unit area of solar panels than ground-based solar panels. Another advantage of space-based solar power is that it is not affected by the Earth's atmosphere, which can absorb and scatter some of the sunlight that reaches the surface. This means that space-based solar panels can capture more of the sun's energy than ground-based panels. And because they are not affected by weather conditions, they can provide a consistent and reliable source of energy year-round. In addition, space-based solar power can provide energy to remote areas of the world that are not connected to traditional power grids. For example, it could provide power to communities in developing countries that don't have access to reliable electricity. It could also be used to power satellites and spacecraft, making space exploration and research more sustainable and cost-effective. With space-based solar power, we have the potential to provide a nearly limitless supply of clean energy that doesn't harm the environment or contribute to climate change. And with the leadership of Elon Musk and other visionaries, we can work towards a future where our energy needs are met by sustainable, high-tech solutions that benefit both our planet and our economy. The idea of space-based solar power is not new, but recent advancements in technology and the leadership of Elon Musk have made it a more realistic and viable option. In fact, Musk's company, SpaceX, has already launched a few satellites into orbit that are designed to test the technology needed for space-based solar power. One of the challenges of space-based solar power is the cost of launching the necessary equipment into space. However, Musk's company, SpaceX, has developed reusable rockets that can significantly reduce the cost of launching payloads into space. This means that the cost of building and launching space-based solar power systems could be lower than previously thought. Another challenge is the technology needed to transmit the energy from space to Earth. But there have been significant advancements in this area as well. For example, NASA has developed a microwave-based wireless power transmission system that has been successfully tested in the lab. This technology could be adapted for use in space-based solar power systems, allowing for the efficient transmission of energy over long distances. In addition, other countries, such as China and Japan, have also been exploring the potential of space-based solar power. China has already launched a few satellites into orbit to test the technology, and Japan has plans to launch a space-based solar system by 2030. With multiple countries investing in this technology, it is clear that space-based solar power is becoming a more viable option for meeting our energy needs in the future. With Elon Musk's leadership and the advancements in technology, space-based solar power has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about energy and power our future. By harnessing the power of the sun in space, we can create a nearly limitless supply of clean energy that is sustainable, reliable, and doesn't harm the environment. It's a bold idea, but one that could transform the way we live and work for generations to come. The benefits of space-based solar power are numerous. First and foremost, it provides a virtually unlimited source of clean energy. The sun is constantly shining in space, which means that space-based solar power systems could generate power 24/7, without any interruptions due to weather or other factors. This could help reduce our dependence on fossil fuels and other non-renewable energy sources, leading to a cleaner and more sustainable future. Additionally, space-based solar power could help address energy shortages in areas that are not well connected to existing power grids. For example, remote communities or disaster-stricken areas could benefit from space-based solar power systems that provide a reliable source of energy without the need for costly infrastructure. This could improve access to healthcare, education, and other vital services in areas that are currently underserved. Furthermore, space-based solar power could have significant economic benefits. As the technology develops, it could lead to the creation of new industries and job opportunities, especially in the fields of science, engineering, and technology. It could also help reduce the cost of energy over time, as the initial investment in space-based solar power systems is offset by the long-term benefits of using a virtually unlimited source of clean energy. Finally, space-based solar power has the potential to address global issues such as climate change and energy security. By reducing our dependence on fossil fuels and other non-renewable energy sources, we can reduce greenhouse gas emissions and help mitigate the effects of climate change. Additionally, space-based solar power systems can be located in orbit around the Earth, making them less vulnerable to geopolitical issues or natural disasters that can disrupt traditional energy sources. Overall, space-based solar power has the potential to transform the way we think about energy and provide a cleaner, more sustainable future for generations to come. With the leadership of individuals like Elon Musk and the ongoing advancements in technology, this bold idea is becoming a more realistic and viable option for meeting our energy needs in the 21st century.